Cannot believe, guys, but I made it. So this was a long job. So Kawasaki is almost done, but I had a problem with the tank because inside the tank I wanted to coat this tank, and inside of the tank was this stuff. Put it like a liner, but you see, like on some places 2-3 centimeters thick, and I want to remove it and to have clean tank for putting the coat. So I try, you see, there was a battle here. So yeah, let me walk you what I did. I was on the ride today, so sorry for the mess. First, I try with epoxy thinner, or ordinary thinner, acetone. Nothing work on this, nothing. And as a large resource, before I started cutting the tank, I tried with electrolysis, and believe it or not, it worked. It worked beautifully because it lifted up all this stuff inside the tank. But then I had I was like 4 hours doing this, so I had another problem, because there was a couple of small bits, and then two, like maybe 15 or 10 centimeters long pieces from, I suppose, from this side and this side, and I need to pull them out through this hole. So what I did is first chopping it, with these cutters, but that was almost impossible. Then I hold it with this one. This one really used me good. Hold it, and then realize that I can use the drill bit. So it's really hard to chop, but it's really easy to drill. So what I was doing is holding it here and then putting the holes and, moving the bits, the drills up and down, and cutting it in the smaller pieces, and then pulling it out. And you see there's a whole bunch of these here also. Oh, motherfucker. Look at this. Look at this. So I need to cut them in pieces like this to, remove them from the inside. And I cannot believe that I'm done with this. So yeah. Now we finally have the tank, all the metals. So now we'll go and electrolyze it a couple of more times, maybe even put some sand or screws in it, and put it on the concrete mixer, to clean it as much as possible, as best as possible, and then put the liner in. I'm really exhausted. This was like fucking terrible job to do. But yeah, projects like this are always, you know, struggle of the will most than anything. So yeah, I made it. See you guys.